Hello, this is Jen, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to make a stacked double crochet, abbreviated STDC. Begin by turning your work so that the working yarn is behind your fabric, and also elongate the loop on your hook just a little. Insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2. Next, turn your work and insert your hook back to front underneath these 2 side threads. You can also insert your hook front to back if you like. Yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Make sure you keep your tension nice and relaxed, and that's all there is to it. You've just created a stacked double crochet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.